All right, guys, welcome to 7.3, graph and write linear equations. So you're going to graph, you're going to draw a line, and then you're going to write the equation y equals mx plus b. If I give you x-intercept and y-intercept, okay. What is the standard form? You guys remember what standard form looks like? Oh, I hope so. You're missing some letters. A what?
Ax
There you go.
plus b equals c.
Missing something. B what?
Y
Equal.
equals c.
Very good. Okay, so there's your standard form of lines. And they're both to the first power. That's a standard form. That means that's what it looks like. So ax plus by equals c. Number, number, number. Okay? What does the slope-intercept form look like?
Is m
Uh-huh.
plus b
M,
plus y equals mx
mx
plus
plus
b.
b. Very good. So y equals mx plus b. Which one is your slope? M. Which one is your y-intercept?
B.
B. Very good. Okay? So expect that on the test because I have asked you every single time. If you haven't noticed. All right. How to graph. So this is what you do first, okay? So how to graph on the x-intercept and y-intercept and write the linear equation. So first one is you're going to plot the x-intercept. So you're going to plot the x-intercept, okay? Debian right. Plot the x-intercept. When you plot that, you're going to have an x for a number, and it's going to be 0 for the y because it's on the x-axis, okay? X-axis. So you're going to plot your x-intercept, which is going to be x0, and then you're going to plot the y. Okay. So plot x-intercept. B. Am I going too fast? Okay, I'll slow down a little bit. Okay, Brian's still writing, so I'll wait just a little bit. You ready? B. You're going to plot the y-intercept. Intercept means it crosses. This is an intercept, okay? It crosses. You're going to plot the y-intercept, and your point's going to be 0, comma, y. It is always 0, comma, y, and you graph it on the y-axis. So plot the x-intercept, plot the y-intercept, and then we're going to take it from there. Okay? So plot x-intercept, plot y-intercept. Next part. All right? Graph. You want to graph, okay? Graph the line. You're going to graph the line. You're going to graph the line. Once you graph the line, you're going to find your slope. Find your slope. Semicolon, this is called a semicolon, that right there. So if you don't know what that word is, this right here is called a semi, S-E-M-I, colon. Okay, semicolon. So if you don't know what that word is, that's called semicolon. This right here is called a colon. Okay? A colon is also part of your stomach. Has two meanings. Did you know that, Brian? Yeah. So when you eat, you go in here, all this inside your body is called a colon. That's also a colon. Same thing. All right, so graph the line, find the slope. Now, part D, write in slope intercept form. Okay? Then you're going to write in slope intercept form. So A, plot x-axis. B, plot y on the y-axis, y-intercept. C, graph the line, linear recta. Find the slope. Brian's going to put away his phone. D, write in slope-intercept form, because when I'm done, then you can do that, okay? I'm almost done. You guys good? All right, so let's go to number 2 and number 3. Here's an example. Here's number 2. Everyone ready? I'm going to do 2 different colors. Okay. You see how it says x-intercept? Do you guys see that? X-intercept is the same as this. 2, 0. Same thing, okay? Which way does x-axis go? Left to right or up and down? Horizontal or vertical? Left to right. So 2 zeros. So there's my x-intercept right there. You guys see that? Okay. Next part, you're going to graph the y-intercept. Okay. Y-intercept is 5 is equal to 5. So it would be 0, 5. So 0, 5. By the way, isn't this also your b? Is your y-intercept always your b? Same as your b, right? Okay. How many points do you guys see on the graph? How many points? 2. Is that all you need to graph? Okay. So get your ruler. Grab your ruler. Are you good? Okay. Grab your ruler. Connect those points. Do you have a line? Yes. Okay. So this is one more extra of what you've done before. So one more extra. Okay? It's always one more. One more. All right. Now take a look from here to here. I'm going to go down. How many places did you go down? -5, right? Okay? I'm going to go to the right. How many places to the right? 2. So you have your slope is what? -5 over 2. Did you guys see that right there? There's your slope. So down 5 to the right 2. Can you now write the equation? Yes. Y equal, what's your slope? -5 over 2. What's next? X. And what's your b? Plus 5. It's always the y-intercept. You are finished. That's it. Not bad, right guys? Don't forget your arrows and make your lines long, okay? Don't make it short, make it long. That's what we're doing today. Not bad, right? Okay, not bad. So it's everything you've learned and you keep adding to it. That's what we do. Mikey, not bad? Okay, let's try number 3. Okay, and then I'm going to let you guys try one together. All right, here we go. Okay, Brian, x-intercept -2. Where do I graph? Right there? X-intercept is -2. Do I graph there? No. Over here, -2. Okay? So I'm going to put a point there. Not bad, right? Okay? So this is the same as -2, 0. Y-intercept, where do I graph? Right here? No. Right here? Yes. Okay? This is always 0, 1. And this is always your B. All right. Grab your ruler. Draw your line. Just like that. Okay? What is your slope? To go from here to here, what did you do? You go up or down? You go up, which is 1, and then I went to the right, which is positive or negative? Positive, because I went to the right. Do you guys see that right there? So it's positive. So your equation is y equal, what's your slope?
2 over 1.
No,
1 over
1 over 2. It's y, x, up and down, then left to right.
x
Plus 1. Very good.
And you forgot to put 5.
What did I forget? You don't have to. I was just showing you that. I was just showing you.
So you have to write it?
No, you don't have to write that. This will, if it helps you to write it, write it. If you need to help writing that, do, but not required, okay? If you can look at it, then don't do it. That's up to you. I'm looking for this. You guys good? You wanna try one on your own? Okay? Try one on your own, and then we'll check it, okay? Making sure before you guys move on.
I was gonna say, why did you do one? Tell me then.
Do what?
Okay, never mind.
No, take your mask off. Say, I can't understand, huh?
Never mind.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Try another one. I did not give you any where it's x equals 4 or y equals 3. I didn't give you any of those, okay? So all of them will look like y equals m. Try one. Your turn. Do number 4. Number 4 by yourself. Do number 4. Try number 4, okay? And then we'll check it. Try number 4. Your turn. And I'm going to take roll.